In this video, I'll show you two different methods to add custom name in your iPhone lock screen. First of all, let's add a custom name in lock screen without any software or app. So go to your iPhone settings app, and here you have to tap on focus mode. And now we will create a new focus mode here. So tap on this plus icon and here select custom and give here the focus name. Give the name, which name you want to display in your iPhone lock screen. I'm adding my channel name. And now you can change your name color or your emoji from here. Now just tap on next. And here tap on customize focus. And here don't customize or edit anything, just go back from here. And here we can see my name focus mode successfully created. Now all you have to need, open your control center, tap on focus and select your name focus that we just added. Once the focus mode turn on, now I'm going to my lock screen and here we can see I've successfully added my name in my lock screen. And now let's see how to add custom name with an app. So go to your App Store and search here any text, and this is the actual app we are going to use. So install this free app on your iPhone. Once the app installed, open the AnyText app on your phone and here type your name and tap on back, and here we can see I've successfully added a name in this widget 1 box. Now open your lock screen, long press on your lock screen, tap on customize, select lock screen and here tap on add widgets. In this widget list, you have to tap on AnyText app and here we can see the name. Select the name, you can change name size and that's it. This is how we can add our custom name in iPhone lock screen. Thanks for watching.